Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to change orientation on iMovie. To change the orientation of a movie, you will need to first launch open the iMovie application on your mobile device and then go ahead and open up a project that you want to edit. You can also start up a new project by clicking on the movie option at the bottom and select a video clip that you want to edit from your device's camera roll. Either way, make sure to import the video clip onto your editing page. After selecting a video clip, click on Create Movie at the bottom. You will then be able to add the video clip onto your timeline. Simply go ahead and tap on your video clip, and then simply try rotating your preview screen with the help of your fingers on the page. Simply rotate left or right. Use your fingers in order to rotate the video clip to your desired orientation, and then preview the rotated video to ensure it looks correct by tapping the play button. After you are done with your changes, click on Done at the top left and export your video like you would normally do. So that is how you can easily change orientation of a video on iMovie. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.